In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Google Maps on Uber Eats. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you wish to use the Google Maps GPS instead of other alternatives such as the Uber navigation system or Waze, you will be able to change the default GPS for Uber Eats at any time when you go over to your account settings. So to start the process, open the latest version of your driver app and in there, tap on your icon or access the menu to go over to your account page. When you go to your account page, you will be able to scroll down until you find App Settings, as I've highlighted here. Go over to App Settings, and finally, under the Navigation category close to the top, you will be able to change the default GPS that you wish to use to make your Uber Eats deliveries. Immediately upon going over to the navigation category, you will be able to change the navigation app assigned to Uber Eats. So by default, Uber navigation will be selected. This will allow you to stay in the app so you don't have to switch back and forth. But sometimes, if you are more used to the Google Maps environment, you might want to make this change, and it is completely fine to do. You will still be able to manage all of your deliveries, get the usual notifications, but every time you accept an order and it's time to get instructions of your navigation, you are going to be redirected to Google Maps instead. So choose that option. And if for whatever reason you get issues or you don't like using Google Maps, you can always go back to Uber navigation or switch it to Waze. It is always going to be available under the navigation app settings. Make sure you have the latest version of Google Maps and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Google Maps on Uber Eats. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.